So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So in this video we are going to talk about how you can import any video into a Blender, same like an image. And in this video we'll just talk about some tips and trick which is help you import the any video with the sound also. Okay, so make sure you watch this tutorial till end. We'll also talk about how you can add the any kind of video, same like here you can see we have a one laptop, and inside my laptop there is one video. Okay, so how you can add same like this also, we'll just talk about each and everything. So here you can see guys, here we have a new project file, and right now here you can see on my laptop screen that is totally showing a black, and we want add some video into our laptop screen. So first of all I just want to show you that video which is I'm gonna add into my laptop screen. So here, okay, so here you can see this is the video. Basically here you can see this is that video which is I'm gonna put into my laptop screen. And if you guys want the same video, so you can download the same video from the description, that will be free for my all subscriber. So now what I'm gonna do, first of all I'm just gonna open my Blender. So I'm just gonna edit mode of my laptop screen, and then I'm just gonna select these faces where I want to add the video. Okay, and after that I'm just gonna add a new material basically. So for adding the new material I will just go to my material section, and here I will just add a new material, and I will just click on new, and then I'm just gonna click the assign. So here you can see now we have a new material assigned on our laptop screen, and we can just give any kind of name. So I'm just gonna give a video, basically video screen, something like that. Okay, and after that what you have to do, you have to just go to little down, and here you will see the one option that's called basically base color. You have to just click on this little yellow icon, and from here you have to just add the image texture. Okay, after that you have to just open that video which is you want to import it into a Blender basically. So I'm just gonna open that video, I'm just gonna open it, and I have just downloaded into my download section. Here you can see, so I'm just gonna click OK and open image. Okay, so here you can see guys, when I click the open image, so right now on my screen there is nothing going to show. So first of all what you have to do, you have to just unwrap these two faces where you want to add the video basically. So for that I'm just gonna my front view, and here I will just press the U, and I'm just gonna click the project from the view. So here you can see it's gonna automatically add the same video into my laptop screen, something like that. Here you can see guys, and that's look cool. But if I'm just gonna play this video, so right now here you can see that video is not going to play basically. So now what do you have to do, you have to just go to your frame settings basically, and here you have to just set the how many frame you want to play this video. So I want 250 frame basically. I will just set the 250, and after that I will just click this auto refresh. Okay, and when I just click the auto refresh, and if I'm just gonna hit the space bar, so now here you can see we have a video which is gonna play very nicely on my laptop screen. Okay guys, so here you can see that is very easy and cool trick where you can import any videos into a Blender. You can import as a plane as well. Okay, want to do, okay, you have to just follow the same step which is I am shown already here. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something today new. So thanks for watching this video guys. If you learned something in this video, please hit the like button, the share button, and subscribe my channel. Also if you have any queries, if you have the session, please let me know in the comment box. I will definitely reply comment. So bye bye, take care and stay home guys.